Stella here with Stella's RV Adventures, and today I'm going to talk about how to feed your dog on the road and keeping them healthy at the same time. So I decided to switch from dry food to real food, and I didn't want them to get all the additives and preservatives and all that extra crap, I guess you'd call it, that they put in dry food. It's unnecessary, and I want to feed them whole food, just like I want to feed me whole food and keep me healthy. I want to keep my babies healthy too. So life on the road, it's a little more difficult because you got to cook for them and stuff, but it doesn't take that much effort. So I'm going to name some of the things that I feed them are brown rice, white rice, and sometimes I'll mix the white rice and the brown rice because the white rice will bind them up. And then I feed them I love cooking for my doggies. Because I know they're eating healthy. And what makes them happy makes me happy. It really does. So I'm grinding up some turkey right now to go along with some peas and some rice. And then I mix it all together. So after I'm done cooking this, I store it in one container. So the turkey goes in one container, the peas go in another container, and the rice goes in another container. And then when I get ready to feed them, I pull out their dish, and then I mix it all together in the dish. And, it lasts, I don't know, not an exact science, but most of the food lasts for 3 days, maybe longer. I think it's cheaper to feed them this way, too. I don't know. Eggs are only $1. So, and the canned fish, sometimes it can be $1.50 to almost $3, but it lasts quite a while. It's a whole can. I also get them tuna fish sometimes, but you have to be careful with tuna fish because it has a lot of sodium, so you don't want to feed it to them that often. So keep in mind the sodium when you're buying food. Brown rice, peas, and turkey. This is for the doggies. Oh, I can eat it too. It's healthy for me. But I get to have some soy sauce. Don't tell. Oh, you're looking at me. I better run away. I think I'm busted. Stop, Rudy. If you're new to my channel and you enjoyed my video, please click subscribe. And thanks for watching.